episode of Vanper Lifestylez. Just broke daylight, sun's about to rise. Heading out here to some back roads. Gonna try to get a few photos of some light coming off of the sun and the sun coming up. Just camped out down the street here. Pretty quiet night, nice clear morning. So figured I'd come out here and try to get some pretty cool photos if we could for the morning. So yeah, this is basically where I did in my last video, the Native American campsite from over 4,000 years ago in the past. We just pulled out of there and we're heading up the road. Gonna pull up in here to the little hidden pond at the Wildlife Nature Preserve. Just have a look. So yeah, got some coffee from the truck stop. It's pretty tasty. Let's see what we can see. Water's extremely calm today. Wow, that was a nice sized fish there. Kind of comb the pond for a minute and see if we can't catch one on video. There's something out there swimming around. Just seen her head out of the water. Still kind of see it. Can you see that? Not quite sure what that is. Is it a muskrat or an otter? Check him out. Just out here for a morning swim. Oh, that was pretty awesome. I was taking a picture of that otter swimming. And I ended up catching a clip of a fish splashing up there on a photo. Pretty sick. Throw that in to let y'all check out. But yeah, this is a pretty peaceful pond here. In all reality, it's a pretty chill place. Viewed it in like I said in my last video, the Native American campsite. So yeah, gonna hop back up in the old box here and cruise on down the road. Hopefully we're not too late, and we ought to be able to get a few clips of some nice light and the sun coming up over this water here. Goodbye, pond. See you soon. Always come around here when I'm out in this area. So yeah, pulling on out of here now. Sun's still not up yet, but the daylight is very well broken. You can see the color in the sky out there on the horizon over the fields. Hopefully we'll get out to the spot and be able to get a couple cool pictures of some nice lighting. And the sun's starting to come up. Look at that there. Beautiful. Awesome coloring out over these old farm fields. Sun just popping up, throwing off that nice orange tint. Got the full moon still up in the sky there. Sun rising up over there. Awesome morning. Very beautiful. Oh, the sun definitely came up a lot quicker than I thought it was gonna. But hopefully we might be able to get some good pictures still of the sun coming up over this water up here. See how it turns out. It's got a lot of bright orange coming off of it now, reflecting up into the clouds. The lower form of the horizon there. Hopefully it turns out good in the video. It looks really cool in person. But yep, we're gonna sit right up the road here. Get a nice couple pictures of the sun coming up. Pretty sick. I like these old backcountry farm roads here. Pretty sweet, just cruising around and exploring. Got some fog coming up. Birds all chirping it up. Yep, I'm gonna pull up in our spot right here. It's like a pretty good place to park and take a little walk up there and have a look. Hopefully get a few good pictures. Hopefully see some wildlife, a little bit of nature, and a pretty nice sunrise coming up over the water here. Bring this tripod along with us. Coffee. Said the moon's up over there still. A lot of activity going on over there. And then lily pads. Oh yeah. Some more over here. at it this morning out here. That was pretty sick. But yeah, we're gonna walk over here, enjoy the sun coming up, try to get a few cool pictures. These guys are just going at it out here in these lily pads. Tearing it up. I'm not sure exactly what kind of fish that would be. My friend Cameron's expert on these things. He knows pretty much every fish. Here's the spot. Let's hoping to get a few cool pictures. Some nice sun colors. Sun coming up over the water here. Maybe a few nature shots. See what it brings. Got the old box parked down the way there. Chilling. Still up there. Sun coming up on this side. Let's see what we can see. So yeah, this spot here, it's a hidden spot, top secret. But very relaxing place. A lot of fish here. Like I said, a good friend of mine, Cam, he comes out here, catches all kind of fish all day long, all year long. My man is dedicated. Just look at all the movement in them lily pads. Hopefully the mic is picking up the sound of it. Sounds pretty intense. country farm roads, so they just drive their tractors right on down the road here, as you can see. Probably be a pretty cool morning driving a tractor right on past all this. Got the sun coming up over here. Got the moon still setting up in the sky over there. Can't get no better than that. So yeah, all in all, was able to get a few pictures, a few nature shots, a few videos of some crazy fish dancing around in the lily pads this morning. That was pretty wild. But yeah, gonna hop back on in the old box here and try to organize some stuff from last night. Just kind of woke up and took off this morning. So, can get that done, try to get these, go through these pictures and see what was good and what wasn't. And yeah, just wanted to bring you all along on this little photography journey this morning. Give you a quick little update. Everything going on right now. It's kind of madness is slowly starting to calm down a little bit, but still dealing with it here. A lot of things been opening back up, but for the most part, Jersey's still kind of on lockdown. But when over on the Delaware, they actually had some restaurants opening up. And, PA, the campgrounds are opening up. And Jersey, the day use parks have came back. But quick update and check back with y'all and check out these pictures. Thank everyone for coming along on this little photo trip this morning. Got here a little later than expected, but what can you do? We did happen to get a few shots of some sun coming up and the light reflecting off the water. A lot of fish activity. Just a peaceful morning out here, enjoying the coffee, listening to the sound of nature, all the birds chirping, fish going crazy in the lily pads. So everyone stay safe. Check back in for the next episode of Vanper Lifestylez. Hope y'all enjoyed the trip. I'll see you on the next adventure. If you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. You can click the button right at the bottom of the corner. Doesn't cost you anything. It helps support the channel. If you'd like to donate, the PayPal is on there and donation is appreciated. Thank everyone who has donated. Helps create more content and keep the journey going. Peace.